Linking your bank account to Salesloft can streamline your financial transactions and improve your overall experience with the platform. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Salesloft account. Begin by visiting the Salesloft website and logging into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access various account management features. Step 3. Select payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Within the payment method section, you should see an option to add a new bank account. Click on this option and fill in the required details such as your bank name, account number, and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Submit button to link your bank account to your Salesloft account successfully. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Salesloft, enhancing your experience with the platform. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Salesloft support for assistance.